Desire to design a stylish and functional herb garden? Herb gardens are not only practical, but they can also add a touch of beauty to any space. From fresh basil to aromatic lavender, they provide a host of benefits. Today, discover 7 ways to create your own stylish and functional herb garden. First, choose the right herbs. Consider their individual needs like sunlight and water, their growth habits whether they spread or grow tall, and their compatibility with other plants in your garden. Remember, the right herbs make all the difference. Secondly, find the perfect location. It's all about sunlight, water access, and soil quality. Sun-loving herbs need about 6 hours of sunlight. Easy water access ensures hydration, and fertile soil provides necessary nutrients. Remember, a great location sets your herbs up for success. Thirdly, plan your layout. The size, shape, and growth habits of your chosen herbs are key considerations. Imagine your garden as a living painting, where each herb contributes to the overall masterpiece. A well-planned layout ensures all your herbs thrive. Fourthly, add style to your garden. Infuse charm with unique planters, decorative stones, or captivating garden art. These elements don't just beautify, they narrate a story, creating a garden that reflects you. Remember, stylish elements bring personality to your herb garden. Fifthly, prioritize functionality. A well-planned herb garden allows easy access for maintenance, respects proper spacing for healthy growth, and considers the unique habits of each herb. Functionality ensures that your herbs thrive. Remember, a functional garden is a thriving garden. Lastly, maintain your herb garden. Regular watering is vital, but don't drown your precious herbs. Pruning encourages growth, while timely harvesting ensures productivity. Remember, your herb garden thrives on your care. Proper maintenance keeps your garden lush and beautiful. There you have it, 7 ways to design a stylish and functional herb garden. From selecting the right herbs, finding the perfect location, designing, incorporating style, ensuring functionality, to maintaining, it's all about balance. Enjoyed this video? Don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.